Hi, my name is Lindsay Avier, and I'm the curator of Sol LeWitt. Sol LeWitt was a conceptual artist. He said in 1967, the idea becomes the machine that makes the art. For the wall drawings installed here today, they're all based on plans that Sol made in his life. Drafters came from around the world, including also local drafters, and they installed the works over 3 weeks to create these beautiful wall drawings that you see around you. We have important early works that show LeWitt's interests in the 60s, interest in seriality, in basic fundamental forms such as line, square, cube. And then in this room we see later works from the 80s and 1990s. Sol worked in color and gray tones, and he also worked with fundamental forms such as cubes. And the space itself lends itself perfectly for these kind of symmetrical kind of considerations of the space. So what I was able to do by putting these together is create a space that had all the gray tones on one side and the colorful tones on the other side, which I think gives you this kind of tension and interest in the space.